Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, Midwest Ohio Valley video update. We're fine today, no issues. Everybody's fine today. But things are going to get busy in the plains starting tonight, and then that'll move into parts of the Midwest Wednesday, and it'll get into the eastern Midwest later Wednesday and into the Ohio Valley late Wednesday night into Thursday. So plenty to talk about here. Let's kind of go through this, and we're going to notice, again, most of today, no worries. No worries at all. One thing just to keep in mind, it will be windy today out of the south, 25 to 45 miles an hour. So that is certainly something to keep in mind. But it's dry. And I think we're dry through the evening, but late evening we're going to see showers and thunderstorms. Some of these could be severe as far north as south central Nebraska down into Kansas. Wind being the major threat here. And overnight you see these showers kind of blossom northward, and they're not severe north of I-70, north of I-80, but it just kind of congeals into this rain that's going to happen here Wednesday. Look at this Wednesday afternoon. It's raining very hard in the eastern plains, western Midwest. Notice the I-35 line pretty close here midday, but through the afternoon that rain will move into places like Washington and Waterloo by dinner time. All the while, rain is ending back west, and that's going to set us up for a pretty nice Thursday. Now, it looks like here for Wednesday night, it's an Iowa, Minnesota, Missouri, eastern Nebraska, eastern Kansas deal. And through the overnight, that rain will slowly seep into Illinois. By 7 a.m. On Thursday, we're just seeing a few showers into parts of Illinois and western Indiana. Heaviest stuff back west still. Plains, you're done. Thursday, conditions will slowly but surely improve in western Iowa and western Minnesota. Western Minnesota and Iowa could actually see a pretty dry day Thursday. And it's still raining out east. So through Thursday evening, we've dried out the plains, most of Minnesota, most of Iowa, and northwest Missouri. Still raining, though, to the east. So as we head into Friday night, you notice that's when things start to improve in the Midwest. And it looks like Friday is mostly just an Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, and Michigan type deal. But that does continue Friday night and even into the first half of Saturday before things improve. So one more time for you, I'll go through this. It's a Tuesday night, Wednesday, and Wednesday evening deal in the plains. It is a Wednesday afternoon. There it is. See, maybe late morning, Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, and early Thursday in the western Midwest. It is a Wednesday night, Thursday night thing in the eastern Midwest. And then finally, it is a late Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday deal out to the east. How much rain? Everybody's asking. Rightfully so. Quite a bit. 1 to 3 inches. Midwest, eastern plains. We'll call it a tenth to a half an inch in the central and western Dakotas, western Nebraska. We'll call it 1/4 to 1 1/4. Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, eastern Minnesota, and eastern Iowa. And then a little bit less than that the further north one travels in the Great Lakes. So all things considered, a pretty significant storm, and it will come with windy conditions at times too. Look at this. 40 to 50 mile an hour gusts Tuesday, Wednesday in the plains. We'll call it 25 to 40 central and east through Thursday and Friday. But again, a pretty windy period. And the good news is once this thing gets out of here, it does look like Saturday's a good day, and most of Sunday's probably okay. The exception is parts of Nebraska where you might see a rain or snow shower along a cold front. And that may eject into the remainder of the region with just a few light showers here Monday and Tuesday. But you see the storm track is getting shunted to the south next week. That should allow us to not only be drier, but also cooler as this cooler area of air comes into the region. And you'll see what I mean here looking at these temperatures. So to start off, let's take a peek here at the temperatures today. Again, 50s for most, 70s and 80s far south. By Wednesday, 50s and 60s. Thursday, 50s and a few 60s. Friday, same deal. But notice by Saturday, a little bit warmer here briefly. Because Sunday, Monday, as that front comes down, Monday, Tuesday, those high temperatures are upper 30s to middle 40s north, upper 40s to middle 50s south. and that continues through most of next week, and that should come with some pretty chilly air. It looks like maybe the first freeze of the year in parts of the Ohio Valley, a hard freeze in the northwestern belt, pretty normal for the beginning of November. So that's what we got for you. Rainy coming up here over the next few days. If you have questions, just let us know.